Is your PC using way too much RAM for no reason? Let me show you for fixes that actually work and why they work so you can get your speed back. Step 1. Disable heavy services. First, open the Start menu and type services.msc. We're going to disable 3 services that constantly run in the background and eat memory: Sysmine, Windows Search, and Connected User Experiences and Telemetry. Connected User Experiences and Telemetry is a Windows 11 background service that collects system data like app crash, performance issues, and feature usage and sends it to Microsoft to help improve updates and stability. Disabling it is safe and won't break your PC. You simply lose some personalized suggestions and minor feedback-based optimizations. Sysmine tries to predict what apps you'll open and preloads them into RAM. Sounds smart, but on older or low-RAM PCs, it causes constant high usage and random slowdowns. Disabling it stops those heavy preloads. Windows Search is responsible for indexing your files. If your disk is slow, the indexing loop can hog RAM and CPU. Turning it off helps if your search isn't something you use often. This is how you disable them. Scroll down and find each services, then click on Stop. In the Startup type, select Automatic to Disabled. In here, don't disable anything you don't know. Only these 3. They're safe and reversible. You can look up anything if you don't understand it. Step 2. Fix shutdown memory issues. For the second step, we are going to make use of the Registry Editor. This may sound scary, but it's pretty easy to use, as I will show you. Go to the Start menu and type Registry Editor and open it. Navigate to the path above. Once you get here, look for Clear Page File at Shutdown, then click on it. Change the value from 0 to 1. Your page file is basically overflow storage for your RAM. Over time, it can fill with leftover data from previous sessions, which causes strange RAM spikes or memory leaks. Setting this to 1 tells Windows to wipe the page file clean every time you shut down, so you start fresh with more stable memory on the next boot. This helps if RAM keeps filling up even after closing apps. Now this will affect shutdown in that it takes longer, but it's completely safe. Step 3. End heavy processes. For this next step, we will be ending heavy processes. Browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Brave can take 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM easily. Go to Task Manager, click on Processes, and check which heavy app is using up memory. For instance, in my case, you can see it's CapCut. If you have finished using the app, click on it and choose End Task. This really comes in handy, especially when you have apps that are running in the background and you have finished using them. Just remember that before you close any app, that you have already saved your work and you are through with it. Step 4. Optimize your drives. Now for the final step, go to the Start menu and search for Defragment and Optimize Drives. Select your main drive and hit Optimize. On HD disks, fragmentation makes files scatter everywhere. Windows loads them slower, which increases RAM usage for caching. Optimizing rearranges the data into neat blocks. On SS disks, Windows doesn't defrag, it runs TRIM, which improves performance and reduces unnecessary background memory use. Try these fixes and you should see your RAM usage drop instantly. Check out my other video on how to fix 100% disk usage in my channel. Subscribe for more quick PC fixes.